Hello students, this is Radhe Syam Yadav. Today I am going to solve a question on electricity chapter. The question is two batteries, one EMF 18 volt and internal resistance 2 ohm and the other EMF 12 volt and in resistance 1 ohm are connected as shown. Find the reading of voltmeter. Now this is the circuit given to us. Now the first battery voltage is 18 volt, second battery voltage is 12 volt, internal resistance of first battery is 2 ohm and internal resistance of second battery is 1 ohm. Now we have to find out the voltmeter reading in this circuit. Now to find it out, we will solve like this. Given EMF of EMF of battery number 1 equals to 18 volt. EMF of battery number 2 is 12 volt. Internal resistance of battery number 1 equal, that is small r 1 equals to 2 ohm. Internal resistance of battery number 2, that is R2 equals to 1 ohm. So we have to find out the voltmeter reading. Voltmeter reading, we have to find it out. Now here we can say it is E1, this is E2. Now the effective voltage, first we will calculate the effective voltage. Now effective EMF will be E1 minus E2, that is 18 minus 12, and it is equals to 6 volt. Net resistance, net internal resistance, let us say it is R, capital R. This will be equals to R1 plus R2 equals to R1 is 2 ohm, R2 is 1 ohm equals to 3 ohm. So current flowing through the circuit. Therefore, current I equals in the circuit, current I flowing in the circuit equals to effective EMF upon R, that is E upon R equals to 6 upon 3 equals to 2 ampere. So current flowing through this circuit is 2 ampere. Now we have to calculate the voltage of battery 1. So the voltmeter reading, the voltmeter reading V will be V equals to E1 minus I1 R1. So E1 is 18 minus I is 2 into R1 is 2. So this comes out to be 18 minus 4. So it is 14 volt. So our answer is V equals to 14 volt. That is, this 14 volt will be read by this meter. So reading of this is 14 volt. So in this way this question is solved. Please subscribe to my channel, like it and share it. Thank you.